Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Angelica Reyes, single mom, and I'm a member of SES. Through the help of Mami Saki Tanaka, I made this video because of my daughter confined in the Sabin hospital. I don't know where do I get for everyday needs like food, medicines when she had discharge, and my incomes too. I don't have permanent job. I believe it says that you will help me to achieve this goal from my daughter. I trust SES and I believe that you help me in my problem. I hope and someday I will achieve this. Thank you for Mami Saki Tanaka and you and all of you, my SES member. Thank you and God bless.